All right, this is lesson 4.2, functions. So the first thing we're going to talk about is what a function of x is. Function of x is basically the statement for every x value, there is only one y value. We call this a one-to-one function. There are a couple of ways to determine if something is a function. The first way is graphically. We use the vertical line test. And when we're using the vertical line test, the line cannot cross a function more than once. We can also tell something's a function using coordinates. In this case, your x value cannot repeat unless y is the same. Okay, let's go through some examples of this. Here I've got some coordinates. So I'm looking to see if any of my x values repeat. None of my x values repeat, so this is a function. Looking at example B here, do any of my values repeat? Yep, I've got an 8 and an 8. This 8 goes to -1, and this 8 goes to -3, so this is not a function. Here I've got a 5, 6, 5. Oh, there's a repeating 5. But if you look, their y values are the same. So since this is the same point repeated, this is still a function. And now let's look at some graphic examples. We're going to determine if the following are functions of x. So if I had this circle, is this a function? Well, if I draw a vertical line, it crosses my graph more than once, so this is not a function. But if I had this graph, is this a function? Yeah, this is a function. No matter what vertical line I draw here, it only crosses the graph once. So this is a function.